knife setting jig for my Delta 22-650 planer. This should work for any brand and style of planer. If you do not have the factory knife setting jig, which this plane is over 40 years old, I do not have it. I'm not going to show me standing at the saws cutting this thing out. If you have a planer, you've got skills to do something like this. It's not that hard. This needs to sit flat, and it sets the depth of your knives to just touch the bottom of those screws, which I grinded flat.